Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a mobile sticky footer navigation bar in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. By the end, you'll have a menu fixed at the bottom of the screen, making it easier for visitors to access important links like Home, Shop, Cart, or Contact while browsing on their phones. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. Then, select Themes. This is where you manage the design and layout of your store. On the Themes page, locate your currently active theme. Next to it, click on the option to customize or edit it. This will open the theme editor, where you can make visual changes to your store. Inside the editor, switch to Mobile View by selecting the mobile icon at the top. This allows you to see exactly how your store appears on a phone, which is important since the sticky footer will only apply to mobile users. Now, in the left panel, where all sections are listed, scroll down and find the Footer section. Click on it, then choose the option to add a new section. From the list, select Custom Liquid, which allows you to insert custom code. Open the new Custom Liquid section and paste in the liquid code provided in the description. If needed, take your time to ensure it's copied correctly. Next, scroll to the bottom of the left panel and find the Custom CSS option. Click on it and paste the CSS code required for the sticky footer that is also in the description. Once both the liquid and CSS code have been added, preview your store on a mobile device, and you should now see a sticky footer navigation bar fixed at the bottom of the screen, ready for your customers to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add a mobile sticky footer navigation bar in Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.